Hello guys, welcome to the Cubing and Playing channel, and today we're going to unbox these cubes. So first, let's start with this cube. This is the Chi 2x2, 2x3x3. Now I'm gonna unbox it. Pretty nice. Okay, so this is the cube. Let's test the turning. Pretty good. Nice. Wait, let me do the checkerboard pattern. Ooh, I can do double flicks on this. Nice. And the checkerboard pattern, it looks good. Okay, now we'll make it back and we'll move to the next cube. Okay, next we'll have the 2x2x3. And let's see this one. So it's like I think this is called the Rubik's Tower, and it's like this 2x2 but with edges on this one. And let's try for this one. I will try the sexy moves. Nice. Pretty fast. This is a very fast cube. It's from Fans. It's from Fansin. Nice. I like this cube. Okay, now we'll move to my next to the next biggest cube that I own right now. It's the ginormous Chi 6x6 cube. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Turning is okay. But I kind of feel like some pieces are about to pop when I do the inner turns. Oh, and the 6x6 can be a 3x3 and a 2x2, like this. Yeah, I didn't know why I made flags. Okay, next ones are these two. I think I will start with the Kilowinks. This one. This is the Jehu Magic Cube. I guess this is how it's called. And let's see it. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks pretty nice. Okay, this is like a 2x2, but this is like a 2x2 Megaminx. Well, it is a 2x2 Megaminx, but yeah. So let's see the turning. It's not that good. It's okay, just like the 6x6, but I think it's because it has more pieces. It locks up pretty bad. I don't like this. Okay, so last one. Okay. And this is the last one, and this is the Heishu Twist Magic Cube. I don't know why they call them Magic Cube, because they're not magic. Okay, so this is a twisty 3x3, my first one. The skill broke, and I haven't even showed it yet. That's embarrassing. Okay. Turns really good. I'm kind of afraid to do the sexy move, but I guess I'll have to. So you can see the satisfying shape shifting of this puzzle. Okay, pretty nice. Okay, so let me arrange these puzzles so I can make the outro. Okay, that's for this video with Unbox It All. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm painfully close to 100 subscribers. Also, thank you for 90. And bye. Bye. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe.